How to share zip files on Gmail? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So it's super easy to do, and first of all, I am actually going to create a zip file real quick. So I'm going to select these two, right click, then there's actually two options. One of them is inside of Windows. So if you click on send to, you can actually click on compressed zip folder. If you have, for example, WinRAR like I have, you can also simply click on add to desktop.rar. It will immediately just zip it. But if you don't have that, simply click on this one and then give it a name. I'll just give it test. And there we go. We now have the zip file. I'll just delete this real quick and there we go. So now what we can actually do is go to this PC, open up our folder, then go to desktop. Now you can see the zip file right over here. So keep that in mind. Go to Google, then go to Gmail, compose in Gmail, and do all of this. Then the cool thing is that simply you can drag this over here, drop it in here, and it says blocked for security reasons. So if you click on help, it will give you a brief explanation. But the thing is that Google cannot completely scan zip files, so that's why it's a security reason, blah, blah, blah. So in order to fix that, what you can actually do is click on this insert files using Drive link. So now if you click on there, you can here click on upload, select from your device, go to desktop again, simply select the zip file over here, and then click on upload. Now it is uploading, and as you can see, now we have actually added the zip file inside of this Gmail. So now we can add a recipient and subject and then do, our whole text in the email and click send. And that is how to share zip files on Gmail.